Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I tell you some sentences and which you can use in your daily life, so listen to me carefully. Number 1. I am reading a very interesting book. Number 2. I am talking to my teacher about the test. Number 3. I am planning to visit my grandparents. Number 4. I am not sure what do you next. Number 5. I am learning to speak English fluently. Number 6. I just woke up. Number 7. I'm brushing my teeth. Number 8. I'm getting ready for work. Number 9. I'm eating breakfast. Number 10. I'm leaving the house. Number 11. I will call you later. Number 12. I'm doing my homework. Number 13. I'm washing the dishes. Number 14. I'm cleaning my room. Number 15. I'm coming home now.